Pentaho Data Integration, or PDI for short, is a comprehensive ETL platform allowing you to access, prepare, analyze, and immediately derive value from both traditional and big data sources. During this lesson, you'll be introduced to the Pentaho Data Integration graphical design environment known as Spoon. You will then learn to create a transformation to load sales transaction data from a CSV file into an H2 database. Upon launching PDI, you are prompted to log into the Data Integration repository. The repository allows you to store and share ETL jobs and transformations and provides access to Enterprise Edition features that will not be covered in this video, such as document revision history and scheduling. You can click Cancel to continue onto the design environment. Begin creating your first ETL transformation by selecting File, New, Transformation from the menu bar. A new tab titled Transformation 1 appears for you to begin designing your data flow using the design palette on the left. Pentaho Data Integration provides over 200 pre-built steps, including input and output steps for reading and writing data, transformation steps for manipulating data, lookup steps for enriching data, and a number of purpose-built steps for working with big data platforms such as Hadoop and NoSQL databases. We'll add our first step in the ETL flow by dragging the CSV file input step from the design palette onto the canvas to the right. Double-click on the step to begin editing the configuration. We'll provide a friendly name and then click Browse to select the CSV file containing the sales transactions we want to read. Next, we'll use the Get Fields button to bring back a list of fields to be read from the CSV. Pentaho Data Integration will analyze a sample of the data to suggest metadata about the fields, including field names from the header row, if present, and the data type. And, when finished, we're presented with a summary of the results of the scan. Upon closing the scan results, you can see that each of the fields to be read is listed in the field list. We can now preview the data to ensure our step is properly configured. Everything looks correct, so we'll click OK and continue building our transformation. Now we'll configure the table output step. After providing a connection name and entering the connection details, we can use the Test button to ensure our connection is properly configured. We want to write our data to a table named Sales, so we'll enter Sales in the Target Table field. By clicking on the SQL button, Pentaho Data Integration will suggest any SQL necessary to ensure the step works correctly. Since the target table does not exist, you will see a Create Table DDL statement, which we can execute to prepare for executing our transformation. After executing the DDL, we're now ready to save and run the transformation. We'll save the transformation as Load Sales Data. And now we're ready to run the transformation. As you can see, Pentaho Data Integration provides options for running transformations locally, remotely on a dedicated Pentaho Data Integration server, or against a cluster of Pentaho Data Integration servers for processing large volumes of data or reducing execution times. For this example, we'll simply run the transformation locally. Congratulations on building and running your very first Pentaho Data Integration transformation. You can see in the Step Metrics tab that we have successfully loaded 2,823 records into our target database. To find out more information about the powerful Pentaho platform, go ahead and try another lesson, or contact Pentaho and start your free proof of concept with the expertise of a Pentaho sales engineer and your very own data. For more information, contact us at pentaho.com.